beautiful morning to my tiny tots. How are you all? Good? Happy? I'm also good, beta. This is your mathematics class and I am your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to do activity 6 of chapter 2, more about numbers, and this activity deals with even and odd number. So today we will get to know about even and odd numbers. But before going to the numbers directly, I want to introduce in front of you even and odd digits, because if we will get to know about even and odd digits, so it will be very easy for us to identify even and odd numbers. So let's begin the class. Kids, as you know, we have total 10 digits in mathematics, and these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So before going to the odd and even numbers, I want to introduce odd and even digits in front of you. Now among these all digits, we need to identify which digits comes in the table of 2. 0 comes in the table of 2, 2 zeros are 0, then 1 doesn't come in 2's table, then 2 comes in 2's table, 2 ones are 2, then 3 doesn't come in 2's table, then 4 comes in 2's table, 2 2's are 4, then 5 doesn't come in 2's table, then 6 comes in 2's table, 2 3's are 6, then 7 doesn't come in 2's table, then 8 comes in 2's table, 2 4's are 8, and then 9 doesn't come in 2's table. So beta, the digit which comes in 2's table are known as even digits. So from here we got our even digits. And what are our even digits? Yes, please tell me everyone. Yes, even digits are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And yes, the digits which do not come in 2's table are known as odd digits. Means 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These digits are odd digits. And why these digits are odd digits? Because they do not come in 2's table. So we got our even digits and odd digits. So what are our odd digits? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So beta, among our 10 digits, 5 digits are even and 5 digits are odd. Now understand how these digits will help you to identify even and odd number. You always need to look at the ones place. The ones place of the number. How many digits a number is having, that doesn't matter. You need to look at the ones place only. The ones place of the number. If the ones place is an even digit, so it is an even number, and if the ones place is an odd digit, so it is the odd number, irrespective of the how many digits a number has. But if the ones place digit is even, then the number is even, and if the ones place digit is odd, then the number is odd. Now I'll give you some example. If I'll ask, tell me, is 315 an odd number or an even number? So how will you identify? You will look at its ones place digit. Now its ones place digit is 5. Now is 5 an odd digit or an even digit? Yes, it is an odd digit. So 315 is an odd number. And if I'll give you, tell me, 438 is an even number or odd number? Again you need to put emphasis on the ones place digit. What is the ones place digit? 8. Now please check, is 8 an even digit or odd digit? Yes, it is an even digit. So 438 is an even number. In this manner, beta, with the help of even and odd digits, you can identify any big or small number just looking at its ones place, that whether the number is odd or the number is even. So now let's begin activity 7, activity 6 in book. Now beta, this is our activity 6 in book. It is asking write even or odd. Now just look at the ones place digit. Now 4 is the ones place digit. Now is 4 even or odd? Yes, 4 is an even digit. So the number is also even. Now here in 457, again look at the ones place digit. The ones place digit is 7. Now is 7 an odd digit or an even digit? Yes, odd. So the number is also odd. Now again in 3009, which is the ones place digit? 9. And now check if 9 is an odd digit or an even digit. Yes, it is an odd digit, so the number is also odd. Now in D part 153. Yes, now tell me the ones place digit is 3. 153 is an odd number. Yes, now in E part what is ones place digit? 4. Now check 4 is an even digit or an odd digit. Yes, 4 is an even digit, so 1234 is an even number. Now in F part, what is ones place digit? 2. Now check, is 2 an even digit or an odd digit? Yes, 2 is an even digit. So 4532 is an even number. So beta, by following the same pattern, you need to do from part G to O on your own in the book. Just make sure you need to look at the ones place digit only. If ones place digit is an even digit, then the number will also be even, and if ones place digit is an odd digit, then the number will also be odd. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is saying write whether the sum is even or odd without actually adding. See beta, one addition sum is given over here, but the question is asking do not add them, and without adding actually identify whether the answer will be even or odd. Now we know that for finding even and odd we need to look at the ones place digit only. So here also we will not add both the numbers, we will just add their ones place digit. Now in 54 the ones place digit is 4, and in 96 the ones place digit is 6. Now we will add 6 and 4. 6 and 4 equals to 10, and in 10 the ones place digit is 0. Now check, 0 is an odd digit or an even digit? Yes, it is an even digit, so the answer will be even. Now in B part, again the number is 142 and 364. So again we need to look at the ones place digit. In 142 the digit is 2, and in 346 the 364 the digit is 4. Now add 2 and 6. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 equals to 6. Now check, 6 is an even digit or an odd digit? Yes, it is an even digit. So the number is also, the sum of these two digits will also be even. Now in C part, in 83 the ones place digit is 3, and in 14 the ones place digit is 4. Now add 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is 7. Now check, is 7 an even digit or odd digit? Yes, 7 is an odd digit. So the sum of 83 and 14 will be odd. Now in D part, the ones place digit of 81 is 1, and the ones place digit of 96 is 6. Now add 1 and 6. 1 and 6 equals to 7, and check, 7 is an even digit or an odd digit? Yes, it is an odd digit. So the number the sum of these two numbers will also be odd. Now in the same manner beta, you need to do part E, F, G and H of question number 2 and complete exercise activity 6 in your book. Dear kids, today we have done activity 6 of chapter 2, more about numbers. So your homework is to complete activity 6 in your book and please take care of yourself. Goodbye.